you get that feeling that you have done something where it has benefited somebody. That feeling keeps you to do more and more. The recovery rates are faster, and compared to any other hospitals, we find the infection rate, morbidity rate, mortality rate, what we call, is much lower. Bhagwan has taught us many things, but I think the most important thing related to patient care is that one thing I feel that even when our patients are very sick and all, we do not give up. We keep on trying, and we have seen them turning around and becoming better and going. So we do not compromise on their care, even if it is the costliest of surgery. We have a case which is like, it cost us much more. It's a valve replacement plus a conduit, what we call an aneurysm surgery, plus the infrastructure which is needed for it goes in terms of lakhs of rupees. So the entire surgery will cost somewhere between 2.5 to 3 lakhs. But we know that Bhagwan wouldn't say turn away this patient because it's a costly surgery. And we have benefited nearly more than 50 patients like this, of this kind of surgeries. Also aneurysm surgeries, they are complex also. So every patient gets his due on its merit of symptoms. The overall picture is seen about the patient, that suppose he's the only bread earner or something like that, then he's given benefit. So Bhagwan teaches us to be compassionate, and we learn this much more because when somebody is sick, he needs much more love and attention. Second thing is not to give up on them, because we never know when Bhagwan's grace will fall and things will turn around, because we've seen innumerable instances where Bhagwan's grace falls at the right time and patient has become good and he goes home. I personally feel that I'm very grateful to Bhagwan that I was given this opportunity to come and serve here, because this is an institute which does not charge. So you are professional, you are only working for patient care. The goal and the whole aim is that you are going to benefit the patient. You don't have this money part at the back of your mind to think of and other things. Everything you need is provided by Bhagwan. You want the best medicines. When the patient is going through troubled times, he needs the best antibiotic, we get it. He wants the best of the other infrastructure, material needed and all, we get it. Our patient is our God, and we do anything to see that the patient goes home. Not only it's for me, I think my whole team works with that spirit, My whole team, I think my entire hospital works with that spirit. The patient has entered this hospital, he must go home. Actually, to tell you honestly, no. I feel Bhagwan is still there. In his own divine way, he's still guiding all of us. We have not stopped surgeries, or we have not reduced the number of surgeries. We are still working with the same spirit and gusto, because I think if we do anything less, it will be, we will be doing a disservice to Bhagwan. We wouldn't be honest to Bhagwan's teachings and his philosophy, Physical presence is very important for all of us who live here, but his divine presence and the omnipresence is always there. We still feel it.